Hi guys, we have today with us Dr. Sandeep Bhardwaj. He is the IC director at Vivekanand Business School. He has the right mix of industry and academic experience with almost 17 years of work experience as a managerial role and 12 years of work as in academics. So sir, please start with your CET first. We don't want to talk about other things. COVID चलता रहेगा. CET का क्या सीन चल रहा है? With all this delay coming in, number one, how it affected the last batch. We'll talk about that in as number two. Number one is इस बार CET को लेके क्या हो रहा है?
Yeah, so let me put it plain and simple. There's complete chaos. Okay, this is not good for the entire environment, which includes parents, students, teachers, institutes. We are really disappointed, if you ask me. They could have, if not anything else, okay, we can understand COVID, we can understand lockdown. But what is disappointing is that there is no communication. We really need to know what is happening, okay? I mean, just being in the lurch is not a good thing. And we pride ourselves in calling ourselves Management Institute. At least this is the basic that we should have been done, which should have been done by now. So in that sense, it is disappointing. But yeah, I mean, we have to work under the constraints that we have. So let's look at it as one of the constraints.
So कुछ आपको अंदर की कुछ खबर है CET कब होगा कैसे होगा?
Actually, believe me, I was expecting 1st of July, okay, which is what was kind of informally in the grapevine. But even that is looking difficult, if you ask me, as of now. That is looking difficult.
Impossible.
But I'm sure, yeah, exactly. So maybe I think say second week of July is what we are targeting here.
Okay.
But let me also give little credit to some of the people working in DT, in university, state government, that they are working despite some horrible living in. I mean, those who are working, they are really working very hard. I must say that. I meet some of the professors who are part of that system, and they really are, giving their 100%. But again, yeah, I mean, ultimately we can blame the system, but we have to live with the system.
Exactly. We have to wait and watch.
Yeah.
I think the main problem is they are trying to combine all the admission processes into one. Engineering CET also, medical CET also. I think that's architecture CET. So I think that could be one of the reasons why this is delay. So they all have to meet. Maybe no idea about that. So एक सर क्वेश्चन आया वेरी इनोसेंट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट कि CET होगा कि नहीं होगा?
नहीं CET होगा, definitely होगा. At least the authorities are completely committed to it. So CET will happen. And suppose, I mean, let's take a worst case scenario and CET doesn't happen, then a CET like exam may probably happen at institute level or at university level. So that is a worst case scenario, but I really don't see things going there. But if that first scenario doesn't happen, then we are left with the second scenario.
And last year, AICTE have also given the approval that you can take admission on the basis of 10-12 marks also. अगर आपको याद हो लास्ट ईयर नवंबर में लेट उनका एक नोटिस आ गया था कि अगर नहीं होता तो आप 10-12 के मार्क्स ले सकते हो.
So anything is so as I said, okay, those are really worst case scenarios. We really would love students to come through a proper entrance exam, because I'll tell you what, okay, this is for all the students also. What's the big difference between a CA and an MBA? Okay, so CA, the entry is very easy, but the exit is very hard. Okay, in MBA, the entry is very hard. Okay, the exit is pretty easy. All right. So the reason the entry is hard is you really get to get choices students. The good students get choices colleges. So that is where a good match happens. Okay, so it would be good to have a good a centralized entrance exam. But again, we are living in that time, so we'll have to work around things.
True. We have a question from Shashwat. Will CET 22 student be
Okay.
CET 22 का डेट क्या है बाबा? तो 21 का डेट आन दे, 2022 बाद में देखी जाएगी, उसके लिए बहुत टाइम अभी. So do you think the CET, next question from Nikhil, do you think next year problem आएगा, next year this year CET competition will go down?
I mean, can you expand the question?
Number of applicants giving CET, will that go down this year?
Yes, that is expected to go down. Okay, that's a little unfortunate. It is expected to go down. But then I'll explain this. Okay, which is not in good spirit. Okay, but then it is expected to go down. Yes.
Sir, yeah. I'm expecting 70,000 the competition. Last year was 1,10,000, 1,16,000 applicants.
Correct.
This year I think 70 के बीच में रहेगा. And
yeah, you could say that.
Right. My logic is that the people who want admission only in Nagpur, those who want only in Pune or any college which is very close to them, I think they can directly go and take admission in the PGDM program or some way or the other. So they don't need to wait for CET to happen. Fine. And this is one request.
That is right.
Yeah. And this is one request to all the students. Unless you're targeting the top 10 colleges, तो wait करो. Makes sense to wait if you're waiting for MMS. If you're okay for MMS or PGDM program, आपको अगर PG में admission मिल रहा है तो ले लो as a backup option. नहीं तो ना इधर के रहोगे ना उधर के रहेंगे.
Yeah, that is one thing. Secondly, also, I mean, a student has to look at what he wants to do after 2 years. Okay, not tomorrow. So that will probably decide whether he wants to do a PGDM or MMS. That is the first thing. And secondly, the situation is such, like as you said, Nagpur or Aurangabad, Nasik. You get students from everywhere. So those who really want to pursue courses in specific colleges, they should. You're right. They should take admission right away. They shouldn't be waiting for those results coming in and whatnot. Yes.
True. And of course, yeah, there are people who want to come to Bombay. Only the serious people will leave. We will be in the competition. And this is also one my request to all the reserved category students, that if they want to wait, they have to wait for CET, because PGDM is all open seats. So they have to fight the open seat ka students. So then again, for them, they have to wait for CET.
Yeah, that is right.
Okay, that is right. Superb. So that answers a lot of questions. But again, आप बोल रहे हो mid of July तक आएगा date. So I still think अभी notification आएगा, फिर registration start होगा, वो सब करते करते जुलाई एंड तक भी जा. मेरे को जो अंदर की खबर आ रही है वो जुलाई एंड तक आ रहा है डेट. But we have to wait and watch for all these things. So
we have to wait and watch. But nowadays they reduce the number of rounds. They have a kind of everything being digital, and also the process has been squeezed quite a bit. So not like olden days where they used to take 2 months to do all this. So now I think once notification comes, then things move faster actually.
So one thing you said it right, that at least communication तो करो यार. तुम बोल दो कि भैया जुलाई में करेंगे, depending on the COVID situation. We don't want the exact date. आप हमें tentative date भी दे दोगे, हमें एक idea आ जाएगा बस.